This is your how-to guide for choosing health insurance. It's time to get some quotes and find the best coverage for you.
Remember, we are here to show you the how-to for everything we recommend. For health insurance, that means contacting some of the biggest names in the industry and getting quotes. Use the government health insurance marketplace as a good starting point and see if you qualify for a policy that fits your needs that we discussed earlier. Don't ever fill out those online comparison tools with your phone number and email address unless you love blocking countless spam calls for months as random agents contact you with terrible offers. It's better to directly contact the major health insurance companies and have their agents run the policy information for you. Google the contact numbers for some of the big players such as UnitedHealthcare, Cigna Health, Blue Cross Blue Shield, Kaiser Permanente on the West Coast, and any others that service your area of the country. If you get health insurance through your employer, still make sure you are doing your research on coverage needs the same way we described above. Again, myself and my team do not receive any compensation for recommending the companies above. I personally have a policy with UnitedHealthcare that fits my health insurance needs. You can contact any of the companies I listed above, and I recommend contacting at least 3 of them and getting policy quotes with explanations of benefits emailed to you while you're on the phone, so you can compare each one side by side. This process will take you one afternoon, and you will be much happier that you compared policies to find the most efficient option with the best coverage for you. Remember to ask the agent not just about your monthly premium, but rather make them send you the complete explanation of benefits or summary for you to see the deductibles, co-pays, maximum out-of-pocket expenses, any exclusions, critical illness coverage, ambulance costs, and more. Don't buy a policy on the same day. Do your comparison for each policy. And tell the agents that you are running comparisons with their major competitors. This always inspires them to work a little harder for your business. Remember, you owe these people and these massive companies absolutely nothing. Make them sell to you. Make them do the work for you, and never apologize for taking up their time. When you are satisfied with your search results and have found the best monthly premium plan with the best coverage for you, then you can confidently make your decision and apply for the coverage. You should receive your health insurance cards quickly in the mail, but make sure you get a digital copy sent to you for the brief period you don't have the physical card. Keep this card on you at all times in case of emergency. Emergency personnel and hospital staff will use it to help you submit claims in an emergency situation. Yes, it is more important to carry your insurance card than your Costco card.